Mr. Paul, I've reviewed your X-ray results, and there are some concerning findings. We're seeing evidence of a fracture in your left ankle.
Oh no, I was hoping it wasn't a fracture. Does this mean I'll need surgery, Dr. Mihira?
It's too early to say for certain. We'll need to conduct a more detailed examination and possibly an MRI to assess the extent of the fracture. However, based on the X-ray, it seems likely that you'll require some form of treatment, whether it's a cast, splint, or surgery.
Will I be able to walk on it at all?
It will depend on the severity of the fracture. We'll discuss your options once we have a clearer picture of the injury. In the meantime, it's important to rest your ankle and avoid putting any weight on it.
Dr. Mihira, what can I do to manage the pain?
I can prescribe pain medication to help alleviate your discomfort. It's also important to elevate your leg and apply ice to reduce swelling.
MIHIRA, after carefully reviewing everything, we've confirmed that you are experiencing acute sciatica. I understand this can be quite uncomfortable, and I want you to know that we're here to help you feel better. To find some relief from the pain, you might find it helpful to use either a heat pack or a cold pack on the affected area. Some people prefer one over the other, so see what works best for you. Gentle stretches can also be very beneficial, as they can help ease the pressure on the nerve. For immediate discomfort, over-the-counter pain relievers can certainly provide some relief. Beyond managing the pain, it's also really important to think about how you move throughout your day. Try to avoid sitting or standing in one position for too long, and when you need to lift something, always remember to bend your knees and keep your back straight to protect it. Taking these steps can make a big difference in your comfort and recovery.